Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I wanted to do an update on my video from Friday on Injective. Currently, we are hovering around the 24, $24.50 mark, and it's with this demand zone that is in confluence with the previous cycle high back in May of 2021. So currently, 3 years later, I think this is a significant demand zone. I think this is probably the bottom. It is in conjunction with a 9 on the trend reversal indicator or the Tom DeMark indicator. And this is the weekly chart. So I think this is going to be good confluence for a reversal to the upside. I'm not going to go over all the details of Injective on this chart for different time frames. If you want to see that, you can look at my previous video that I did on Friday. But again, looking at the weekly, we are below the 20-week simple moving average, and we have support on the 50-day simple moving average for the weekly. Taking a look at the oscillators, you can see on the market cipher for the weekly, we did print a green dot, which is generally a buy signal, especially when you have green money flow. And then we have done a lot of consolidation on the stochastic, looking at the RSI or the stochastic RSI. And we potentially are going to have some curvature on the RSI, and that has already occurred with the money flow index. And if we just look here and add a line to the RSI, we still have some work to do. I would like to see this get to the 50 mark, punch through that and make it resistance. And we'll just leave that there for now, just to see how that goes. Now it's going to be weekly, so it's going to take a while. But I think that'll be a good thing to look at. Momentum on the MACD is still on the downside on the weekly. Now I'm going to go straight to the 1 hour for the actual update portion of this video. So Friday, we were below the actual Ichimoku cloud. Lagging span was free and clear to the downside. Baseline was above conversion line. And what I was predicting was that we would end up consolidating above this demand zone from the daily. And that's exactly what we have done. The lagging span is now above price action, which is good. And the conversion line is above baseline, but we are still below the actual Ichimoku cloud. And I think we're going to end up continuing to consolidate here, probably into the cloud and to the upside as we approach the evening, as the Asian markets start to get ready for the week. And we will get above this localized point of control and the cloud, test it as resistance, continue to the upside, probably have a reversal somewhere within the 0.5 of this fib, maybe even get up to the 0.618 before we test down around this nod right here maybe, and then continue to the upside with that reversal. So I'm going to dollar cost average into my position. I have a 1/3 position already as a leverage position, and I think this is a good area to do that, although I do keep another 1/3 in reserve just in case we, for sort of whatever reason, the Asian markets don't like what's going on and we break through this demand zone. And that'll be a very different scenario, and I'll do a video on that if that is to occur. But right now, I think this is a great area for a reversal. If you want confirmation, definitely wait for price action to get above this cloud and test it as resistance at the 0.236 fib, and definitely above this point of control. All right, that is my update for Injective. If you have any questions or concerns or updates, or want to take a look at a chart, I have a lot of coins that I'm interested in, so let me know, and I hope you have a great Sunday. All right, thanks, bye.